peeps. Okay, ignore the mess. This is like a 2-minute video, kind of. So I am prepping for another video. I'm making a card, and I thought, oh, it's time to change out my Misti with my sticky. And I thought, I should show everybody how to do this. If you don't want to have to use the magnets that come with the Misti, this is brilliant. I use the Sizzix sticky grid sheets. They're a light tack sheet, and they were made for, you can put them on your plates of your die cutting machines and hold framelits and different things down, but they work brilliantly. You get 5 in a pack. I don't remember how much it was. I've had it for like a year. And I haven't changed this in probably, well, I've never changed it, and I've been using it for over a year. So this is gonna last a long time. So this is a, I believe this is the mouse pad for the Misti. Like, I don't even know where the other guts are that I got for this, because I bought the mouse pad, which is the perfect thickness. All you have to do, this is just brilliant. I can't wait to show you. I think it's the same on both sides. Yeah. So all you're gonna do is take this sticky sheet. Let me just move this out of the way for a second and line it up. Okay, so it's a wee bit shy. I forgot about that part of, is it over there? But you're still gonna want it all the way over here. I'm gonna say, since the purple tape comes over, I'm probably gonna put it here. This really isn't as hard as this is looking. I just forgot, since I've only done it once, and it was like a year ago, that I've got to have room for my purple tape. And this is just a smidge. So the thing is, I don't know if I want it on that side, or I think I want it over here maybe. Sorry, I'm figuring out, you'll see why I care in a minute. It's the whole purple tape thing. I also don't know about this. Okay. There we go. It's a light tack. This is just a smidge too long. You don't really have to cut it, but I'm going to. Okay, then you can use wide washi tape, wide whatever. I use the wide purple tape. So what you're gonna do is put that on there, fold it over, just gonna give it a little more security. It is sticky on both sides, but I'm from the better safe than sorry school. I hate that I'm making this look like it's really hard. It's really not. Oh, now my little thing's crooked. Arrgh! I feel like a dork. You get the concept. I'm pretty sure you get it. The problem is, I am a dork. Okay, all you have to do is take your purple tape, give it a little, fold it over. This is how easy it was supposed to be, except I'm a dork. Cut it off. Again, I'm from the safe, so I'm actually gonna do it all the way on all sides. I'm gonna stick it over here. And it won't impact the space. You're like, well, Terry, it's over some of the space of the Misti. That's okay, because the bulk of whatever it is that you are stamping on is still going to be held down. So you're fine with it here. Like I say, I think I've used this for a year and it stayed down. And I'm going to do the top and the bottom just to make sure. Fold it over, cut it off without cutting the little mat. I think I got this, like I said, it's been a while. I think I got this at Simon Says Stamps, the Sweet Petunias mouse pad, which is what this is sitting on. But these sticky sheets that are from Sizzix, I mean, they're meant for going down on your die cut plates. So that's ingenious too. If you don't have the magnetic die cut plates, this is a good thing that you could use on your Sizzix. So finally, all you have to do is, so you've taken everything out. You've taken that thicker pad and whatnot that was in here. You've taken that out. Put that in. Check it out. I will put some paper here. We'll put this. Let's say that I am stamping on that. We'll just pretend. Here's a stamp. That stamp comes up, but that sheet of paper is not moving. So it's going to stay wherever you put it, and it's a light tack, so you can just peel it right up. Isn't that brilliant? I don't remember who I saw doing this, like I say, a year or so ago. But anyway, quick tip, really is easier than I made it appear. And there's other adhesive sheets, I'm sure, but these are the ones that I got, are the Sizzix sticky grid sheets. All right, that's all I got. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.